This is a 2-pack of high back outdoor chair cushions, centimeter review from Marsui. They are so gorgeous and comfortable, so let me show you a closer look. Oh, you can get bigger packs. I got the 2-pack. Here is a side-by-side. We've got the top side and the back/bottom side. The bottom piece has this really nice grippy part, so it'll stay in place, but they do have ties if you want to tie them on. They've got a tie right at the back and the top. They're puckered in the center, just really, really thick. I'm very nicely surprised with how thick and cushiony they are. A soft, nice fabric. It feels like it's gonna be really durable. They fold up nicely. You could put these in a vacuum storage bag to save on space as well, like in the winter if you're gonna have them in storage, or just put them in an outside storage bin. I don't have a space to tie it on the top, but I can tie them on the back 2 legs, so that works out nicely. Yes. Oh my gosh, that makes a world of difference. Plus, these are so gorgeous. Really fun way to change the vibe of your outdoor dining set or patio bistro set. And they're really flexible this way. So even if you think your chair is a little bit too narrow, it might fit because mine did. These are amazing. I love them and I know you will too.